imche nevi haruti hai. De huta be doda imi warak ihan do di kilarote. Chain ke daim chi khauti hai. Dike do se pha ko basang.
Gently removing the cobwebs from this beautiful machine. Look at that shine underneath the dust. So satisfying.
Nice and easy, keep it straight.
Right there. I'll hit the pump.
Okay, clamped and secure. Look at that shine. We're getting all the water off the tank now. Nice and soft.
We use the miniature brushes for these tight spots, gently lifting the grime from the cables and the instrument cluster.
All right, with the bolts finally loose, we can carefully lift the seat off the frame and expose the rails underneath.
With the lines off, we can finally lift the tank and inspect the frame before the paint job.
All right, we're placing the carburetor linkage here, making sure every bolt is spotless before it goes into the tray.
Using the precision pliers, we carefully loosen the clamp. As you can see, the brass fitting is heavily stained.
The inspection light really highlights the severity of this rust. It's heavily flaked and pitted, especially near this seam.
Now we gently lift the fender off the forks. Look at all that dirt packed behind the braces. We'll get this safely onto the table.
We're using penetrating oil on every exhaust mounting bolt here. You want to make sure it soaks deep into those oxidized threads before attempting removal. That one fought me a bit, but she's finally free. Look at the pitting on that chrome. All right, let's carefully lift the cover. Wow, look at all that buildup. We'll just gently scrape this away now. So we're just compressing the master link here, and then we can carefully work this clip right off the pin.
Here we have the complete layout for the 1971 FX Super Glide restoration. Everything is cataloged and ready for reassembly.
Getting into these tight spots is critical. You want to remove the heavy corrosion without damaging the metal underneath.
As you can see, the chemical reaction immediately starts to turn the rust black, ensuring a clean surface.
Make sure you get that joint really clean.
Almost there, this wire wheel is working great.
A little bit of the biodegradable degreaser, let it sit, and then we wipe away decades of grime to reveal the bearing seats.
With the pivot bolt out, we can finally see the condition of these dry bushings and the hidden grease inside. All right, so we're using the ultra-fine steel wool here. You can already see that mirror finish starting to come through on this 71 shovel head part.
Restoring these 1971 Super Glide parts means tackling years of rust. We use a soft wire brush first.
Here we see the fully restored frame of the 1971 FX Super Glide. Smooth, bare steel reflecting the golden light.
We take great care when lifting these heads. As you can see, the combustion chambers are heavily coated with carbon after all these years.
And now as we lift the cylinder off, you can clearly see the carbon buildup inside the bore and the worn piston crowns below.
We use a plastic scraper here to avoid damaging the machined aluminum surface. See how the old gasket material just peels away. We're degreasing the original 1971 Super Glide crankcases. This biodegradable solution slowly lifts the decades of grime.
It takes time, but you can see the original aluminum coming back to life. Now for the final polish before we mount it back on the Super Glide.
Torquing the heads to the factory specification. Always follow the sequence.
Look at the mirror polish covers. The cooling fins are immaculate, a true factory new appearance for this 1971 V-twin.
We're laying down the second pass now, aiming for that perfect mirror finish. Look at that depth.
For the 1971 Super Glide, only perfection will do. As the clear coat levels, the reflections
Just look at that shine. We're using the premium compound here, getting this 71 Super Glide ready. So smooth.
We're applying a premium finishing compound using soft, overlapping circular motions to enhance the depth of the gloss black paint.
All right, mounts are aligned. Now we torque the rear bolt to factory specification. We gently lower the tank, ensuring the gold pinstriping aligns perfectly before tightening the mounts with a calibrated torque wrench.
We'll start by gently seating the carburetor. Now, connecting the braided fuel line, ensuring a precise fit. Listen to that click.
For this 71 Super Glide, we ensure every drop is perfect. Fresh engine oil, primary lubricant, and